How? You have the ability to print the money, print the cash.
Every day that's you and me, all day that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing, see I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now I'm just too on, maybe now I'm just too gone, maybe now.
They call it a day. No, they don't want to print. No, they don't want to print the money. Just print the money. And you owe people, just print it. But yeah, then again, if they print the money, you know, then everything's gonna go up. And then everybody gonna be homeless and the usual can't do shit. So they can't print the money. But they can't print the money. They have a money machine. They have a money machine. They print the money all the time. You know, when Trump want money, he print money. They just do it on the low. I ain't think that motherfucker got storage. They got the money, they just want to fuck around with people. I don't understand. I don't understand. And his wife, Melinda. Melinda. Oh, I love my husband very much. Oh, we have 3 kids. I used to be a porn star. Oh, porn star. Oh, first lady is a porn star. It's like the first lady in the church. They're doing shit on the low, but pastor don't know. Ridiculous. How many churches they said I was gonna get saved at the end? 2 churches? I think I said that read somewhere in the Bible. All these churches scammers. I think I read somewhere in the Bible it says 2 or 3 churches gonna get saved. Oh. Can you imagine all them churches in the world, they paying their bills. Oh, Jesus. I wake up Fidelio. Can't their church about to get saved at the end? Oh. Then the fabric like kind of cement come on. Why can't I just do it like that? You know what? Paske gonna give me. You know people do it. Paske you're gonna give me medikaman. Yeah, about medikaman. That's why they do it. Oh. I remember when my mom was giving birth to Ace. Oh my God, you share cocoa man Oh my God. This lady named Dylan. She did it at the house. Oh Jesus. That thing was painful. Yo, si mano medikaman kone akli apon ako.
Like hour
apart. Oh. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Take it like a G. I can do this. All that pain for 1 centimeter. Oh Jesus.
they go fast with the water, bro.
Well, can they just pop the water?
Why?
Okay, you can do this. You can do this. Just stay still and breathe. This thing is definitely how many minutes apart? Like 2 minutes apart? No, 1 minute? 30 seconds? 1 second? Feels like it's like 30 seconds apart. Oh my God, when they increase it, it's gonna have dead woman. Oh my God. Still from your being like you. Kika get this last one. Left me to dummy you. Oh, really. If I come with you, if you are going to be past the help, useless people. Okay. Oh, we take check. We take Zelle, what's Cash App. Depuis qu'il est bon Dieu de voir pour faire Cash App, ça bon Dieu de hein? On fait Cash App dans l'église. Assim ça papa, comment on mieux man? On fait Cash App. If you want to
It's good. So no process procedure côté que you get I don't know how to say this in Creole, but you petit loa, qui blood qui en dedans. So you va les mettre en bagage dans lui avec quoi machine ça, epidural, en bagage qu'avec de lui avec pain pour pas sentir douleur. Cause like pain n'a pas manger les connais là, but besoin de laquelle va le pousser petit là pour les pas sentir un peu de douleur. But c'est là il y a mettre le bébé à fin faire il y a un peu bagage là talent pour aller tout bagage bébé à venir avec eux. But pour le moment c'est Melita seulement qui là.
Oh shit, I gotta pee. Oh shit. Oh.
So c'est process là ça. C'est un napton. Docteur Livin saute fait examination pour lui. Pour voir comment c'est ouvert assez pour continuer. So j'en ai là, il est presque bon. Il est dans 2 cm. J'ai besoin pour l'ouvrir à 10, je crois. So, process là, procédure à prend between 4 heures de temps jusqu'à 12 heures de temps plus. Je vais connaître, mais tout le monde a besoin pour le temps passer vite, mais je vais connaître. So, napton pour nous,
I'm peeing.
Il démarre pour ça déjà, go ahead. So, excusez, c'est pas de saler, non, déjà. Elle est là. Il y a 1h32, jeudi dimanche 26 mai. Bonsoir tout le monde. C'est pas de saler déjà, je salé. J'ai de la salée. Baby, you okay?
Yes.
Yeah, right? Huh?
I peed.
You peed?
Maybe.
Which one? You want me to take the stuff off or call it?
Call her.
Anba. So vidéo ça là, on va le quitter là. So enjoy nos dernières fois mais l'eau à gauche là. Avec va le sortir là. Par contre si la bas soir, mais c'est la nuit là, bien demain matin, but nous là. Et moi je vais le déplacer là mal. Faire ça pour faire. À venir ça pour venir. Anba. That's it. So qu'on a non retourner encore là. Qu'on a les ouvert, les na 6 cm. So qu'on a ce docteur qui va aller venir qu'on a là, la position qu'on a lui pour pousser bébé à. Bébé a sorti, et n'a plus tout le qu'on a là. C'est tremblé, la sucre. Ça c'est ça retard. It's just like I'm recording, but just like that camera.
Cut.
Action.
Yeah, did you get that?
Huh?
You got a good picture?
Kami ang nabat bombas.
Got them by our woman.
Ame, puti po ko na pela. Ubat ka pa no mem.
Te ava la fin fet wè la, so, mè lita hen, mè baby ya, mè mode ya, mè sister ya.
Yeah, number 1.
Hey, e djed la de kamera, nou get kon sa deja. There you go. Kind of fini we.